Alright guys, today was another scorcher. I don't know what it got up to. I just know it was hot again. Sitting out here on my perch. Seems like the norm. Come the evening time, clouds roll in, and which is a good thing because then the sun goes behind the clouds and it doesn't stay as hot. But like I said, a scorcher again. I want to give an update on my nephew. I know I haven't given you guys one in a little while. He is currently at a rehab center right now. They got him up, they got him moving around in a wheelchair. The positive thing is he's starting to get feeling back in his, from what I was told, people with spinal injuries like that, when they start recovering, they'll get feeling in either their back end, like their butt area, or their front end, in the groin area. And he's starting to get feeling in the back end, in his butt area. And he was saying the other day the nurses were washing his feet and he could feel them actually washing in between his toes. So he's slowly recovering, you know, getting some feeling back. But they said it takes a process. It takes, you know, quite a few months for, you know, things to, if they do come back. On another note, he got to attend his graduation. The school actually paid for his transportation from the rehab center down to school. It was awesome. My mom sent pictures and stuff. So yeah, he got to attend his graduation. You know, he got like a standing ovation and everything. Everybody was happy to see him. But anyways, that's the update on him. Like I said, I'm just sitting out on the perch right now, and we might, like I said, we might have some breaking news this evening. So stand by. And we might have some breaking news this evening. I'll tell you what, guys, Filipinos love their red horse. We just got 2, 4, 6 cases of red horse. And look, how long did it take you to sell 6 cases?
Depends to the day. Sometimes it's only like 1 week.
A week? Sometimes it takes like a week. Like let's say it depends on the day. What's the most red horse you sold in a day?
5 cases Sunday.
Like one day she sold 5 cases of red horse in one day. Sunday. So it all depends. I mean, it depends if people are drinking, but you know what? Filipinos love their red horse. How much is a case, Lut? 480 for a case. How much is one red horse? What do we buy one red horse for?
40.
We buy it for 40 and sell it.
We buy it 30.
We buy it for 30. One bottle of red horse we sell for 33. And how much? We buy it for 33 and sell it for 40. There it is.
This one 395.
Your profit's how much on one case? Oh, I don't know. We do the math. We buy it for
394.
A case. 394 for a case. Let's do the math. 86 peso profit is what it is, right, Lut?
Yeah.
86 peso profit for red horse. So, like I said, Filipinos love their red horse. Alright guys, you know I buy Hot Pockets up at S&R, and we don't have a microwave here. So what I do is I get the Hot Pockets out of the freezer and let them thaw out a little bit. Heat up some oil and I deep fry them here. And I'll tell you what, they're pretty good. But you have to get them out of the freezer first and let them thaw out. Because if you don't, what happens, Lut?
They don't cook.
They won't cook all the way. The other week, Lut made me some Hot Pockets and she took them right out of the freezer, threw them in the oil. The outsides were nice and crispy, but when I bit into it, icicles. It was freezing. No, thank you. So, oh, let's have an intestines. But that is my lunch. Hot Pockets. And there is the finished product. Crispy golden brown Hot Pockets. Like I said, they tell you to microwave them, but when you don't have a microwave, you got to improvise. And once again, justice and liberty. outside, chilling, hanging out. Oh, we did see For All today. The kids were walking down the street and they were carrying a cat and pointed and she said, "Hey, that's For All." So For All is doing good. Kids are playing with them. Like I said, down the street the kids adopted For All, so For All seems to be doing okay and is still kicking. Liberty!
Liberty! Liberty!
Lazy cat. You guys, Lut is stripping in the Sorry store.
Freaking hot.
She's freaking hot.
Yeah.
So she took off her shirt. She shoved it into the front of her bra. And she's trying to cool down. Look, stand up. Let's see the back.
Here. Well, I said if they don't like it, close their eyes.
They don't like it, close their eyes.
I don't care.
She don't
I'm
care.
hot.
She's hot.
Like sweating.
See, like here in the Philippines, Filipinos are modest, right, Lut? For the most part. Like when you go to the beach or you go to a swimming pool area, they always, majority of them, will wear like a shirt and shorts. Like they don't put on swimming suits. I mean, I wouldn't say all of them, but the majority of them don't. But yeah, it's they're very modest here. I mean, you'll see, a lot of times, you'll see the ones that are in swimming suits are with a foreigner, right? Yeah, a lot of them are with a foreigner. I mean, occasionally you do see Filipinos, you know, in swimsuits, but yeah, Lut is stripping in the Sorry store now. All right, guys, we got some breaking news. Is it Fox Newsworthy breaking news? Nah. Is it CNN newsworthy news? Nah. But you know what? It is newsworthy, guys. It is newsworthy, and I have to share this with you. This is just in. Are you guys ready? There they are. The two Sisig girls. The original Sisig girl is here with the new Sisig girl. Actually, she didn't go nowhere. She's always been here, but I guess they're friends, and they're back in business. The new Sisig girl and the original Sisig girl. So there it is, breaking news. And guys, I don't know. We're gonna ask them if they have boyfriends. You know what else they sell here? Lechon kawali, and they have the best lechon kawali. That is why I'm up here right now, getting lechon kawali for the night. Look, says they cook it first, right? Yeah. And then after they cook it, then they deep fry it. And man, is it good. This is like the third time I've been up here getting it. And I don't come up here to see them. Well, yeah, maybe I do. But they got the best lechon kawali. There she is, cutting it up. Best lechon kawali. Get some rice. Look, these are rice. Put it in the bag. It is the best. Alright guys, I am back from that breaking news. They're a little camera shy, they don't want to be on camera. I wanted to interview them and talk with them, and they weren't up for that. But anyways, from what we were told is they're friends. They're just two friends. The original girl never went anywhere. She just wasn't there. And unfortunately guys, they have boyfriends. Matter of fact, I think the original one has a fiance, so she's fixing to get married here soon or in the future. The other one, she has a boyfriend too. So there it is, guys. Just thought I'd bring you that breaking news. I'm going to sit and enjoy this lechon kawali. Like I said, man, lechon kawali is awesome. Lechon kawali is what is that? Hang on, let's busy. Lechon kawali is pork, right? Yeah, it's pork. And that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight, lechon kawali. You guys, I'm supposed to be on my way home, but I'm taking a detour. I got to pick some sweets up. But this is the circle here in Angeles City. And it is like this every Friday night. It's about 10 o'clock, and it should only be about a 15-minute trip, but it's going to turn into about a 45-minute trip. Guaranteed. It's crazy. Alright guys, I figured since I'm here coming up Fields Avenue, I would do some filming, because some guys like Fields Avenue. That's envy right there. That's the newest like bar restaurant here. Big screen TVs in there. They say the food is good. Never ate in there. And you got Phillies, and you got Angel's Witch, and we got a jam up here. Yeah, here it is, Fields Avenue. Like I said, I'm coming up this way because I got to pick something up. You know what? We used to come up this way every single day at the old apartment, every night, and surprisingly, it's Friday night. Surprisingly, it's not crazy busy. It's not bad right now. Old Brown Sugar, Lancelot, got the music blaring, so I gotta keep talking. We got the Kimchi Resto Bar, of course traffic. Yeah, here it is, Midnight Cruiser, and then Line Tourist Bar, Passion. There it is, guys. Fields Avenue at its finest. Friday night. And of course we're at a standstill. But anyways, like I said, we used to come up here every single night. I am so glad we don't live up this way anymore, because you know what? It takes it sometimes a half hour to get through this area on a Friday and a Saturday. Hey, you got the girls there. South Star Drug. I shouldn't have you let one in, they all go. There they are. Traffic's coming off the main road over by Astro Park. Somebody commented about the traffic. It's, you know, I call it controlled chaos. It's give and take when you're driving here. Let people in, people let you in. Left-hand side, Margarita Station. Haven't had breakfast there in a while. Haven't eaten there in a while. You know, now that we don't live up this way, we don't come up this way much. Now I'm going to start coming up this way again on Monday, because I got to come up this way to take Hannah Grace to school. So, but it'll be in the morning, and there's hardly any traffic in the morning. So, and on the left-hand side, Freelance Park. Freelance Park, there it is. Alright, that about wraps it up. I'm almost at my destination, and I'll show you guys where I'm going. Guys, I'm up here at Charlie's getting some carrot cake. They got the best carrot cake in the area. I was gonna go to the Pie Lady, but she moved. Pie Lady moved, right? Where'd she move to? Where'd Pie Lady move to? Lady that does the pie, do you know?
The owner.
The owner, yeah. They moved. They were down near, right down the road there from American. Yeah, they moved. Where did they move? Do you know?
So we have also.
Right. But what about the one up there by Eurasia? Did she move to another store?
No.
It's not. It's empty.
Maybe they're closed.
No, it's empty. There's a sign up there that says stall for rent.
Maybe we ask.
Yeah, you have to ask, because that's where I always go when I'm up that way, and it was closed. It said there was nothing in there. It said stall for rent, and then I know you guys carry it, so that's why I came up here. Could be renovating. Yeah, but it says stall for rent. I'll find out.
They moved to the inside of the hotel, maybe.
Maybe. All right. Yeah, but here I am, guys. Came up for some sweet treats. They've got the best cheesecake, coffee cheesecake, chocolate classic cake. I've had all them. Pecan pie. They're the best. All right, I'm back in the car right now, as you can tell. Yeah, they didn't know that she moved, or, you know, they said, oh, maybe they're renovating. I don't know if you heard or not, but they weren't renovating. It was empty, and it said stall for rent. But anyways, the pie lady, I've been going to her, for quite a few years. And I just got the taste of the carrot cake in my mouth. And hang on, you don't need that. I got the taste of her carrot cake. It's the best, man. It is the best. And I said I'm going to run up and grab one. And she wanted one. And, well, she's not there at the Eurasia anymore. So, like I said, you asked somebody there. There were a couple girls there because there's a massage place right there. So I asked them, and they said, oh, around the corner. And I drove around the corner, the area she used to be in. And there was no, what is going on? There it is. And where she used to be when she first opened, and she wasn't there. Unless she was there and it was closed, I don't know, but I didn't see no signs or nothing. But anyways, I came up to get some sweet treats. Now I'm gonna head home. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. Gonna head home. It is about 8:40. Took me 40 minutes to get here. Up at Charlie's here. Charlie's is on Clark. And I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna have some carrot cake and call it a night. So anyways, tomorrow is a new day. Journey continues, and we'll see you then.